हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे पार्ट 4 इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स 11th का फिजिक्स है। तो आज का टॉपिक है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू पॉइंट चार्ज इन अ मटेरियल मीडियम। सो आई हैव टेकन अ कंटेनर इन which this K is represent the dielectric constant of the medium. This can be oil, petrol, kerosene, air, water, glass, like that. So this is your medium, right? In which one charge is kept at point O and another charge is placed at a point P having magnitude value Q naught. So we know yesterday in lecture we have studied about the force, right? So F will be given by Q into Q naught divided by R square. I am writing here R cap, right? Divided by K into 4 pi epsilon naught. So this will give you the direction. This is called unit vector. So when it is positive, when Q naught is positive, so your direction will be from O to P, and if it is negative, this Q naught, then it direction will be from P to O. Direction will be like this, and for this it will be O to P. Understood? Now next, see the next point. This is your first point. See the next one. Yesterday we have studied about electric field intensity also. It is defined by force upon charge. That is Q naught. So force value we know. This is your force, right? And this is charge Q naught. So I will divide this force by Q naught. So this Q naught and this Q naught will get cancelled, right? So write the remaining one here. So this will you give the magnitude and direction. So this is your vector quantity, right? So vector quantity nothing which gives magnitude and direction. So we have find the electric field intensity by this formula, right? If you want to find the magnitude only, so E will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q by R square. So this is your magnitude value, and this is also called as scalar quantities. Understood? Now see, if you want to draw the graph, so you can see it depends on the, so E is inversely proportional to R square. So this is the inverse relation, right? So similar for the force also. Force is also inversely proportional to 1 upon R square. So what will be the graph for that? Suppose I am taking on y axis, it is electric field intensity or F, right? And on x axis it will be R. Inverse graph is like this, right? So this is your graph for F and electric field intensity. So draw this graph also. Then we will move ahead now. Pause. Electric field. So next see the types of electric field. So it will be two types, uniform and non-uniform. So see the first one is uniform electric field. Uniform electric field, FILD. So it is short form can be written as UEF. So a uniform electric field is a field whose magnitude and direction is same at all points. So write the definition also. Uniform electric field means it is a field whose magnitude and direction is same. Whose magnitude and direction is same. Direction is same at all points. Understood? So for that you can refer the figure number 10.9a. 10.9a. Where it is? 10.9a. So it is 7, it is 9. Where it is 9? 8 after 9, 10. See. So for now see. For uniform magnetic field it will be like this. So two parallel line having positive charge and negative charge, right? So direction will be like from starting from positive and ending to the negative. So this is uniform electric field direction. So this figure belongs to uniform electric field. Electric field. So this is the direction for uniform magnetic field. Now see the next definition, that is Non-uniform electric field. Non-uniform electric field. Non-uniform electric field. So a field whose magnitude and direction is not same at all points. It is obvious, right? So non-uniform electric field is a field whose magnitude and direction
are not same
and direction is not same in all direction, yeah, at all point. That is called non-uniform electric field. So a field due to point charge, right? In this case, magnitude of field is same at R from the point in all direction, but direction of the field is not same. So suppose I am taking a point charge, right, Q. So its magnitude is same, but direction is different now. The direction will be like this also, right? Like this also. So you can draw like this also for non-uniform electric field. So draw this diagram for non-uniform electric field. Non-uniform electric field. So suppose here positive charge is there, and this will give you the direction of this electric field. Magnitude is same, right? Now see the next one. A pair of charged parallel plate is shown in the figure 10.10. Electric field between them is uniform. So there is another diagram. There is two plate, right? One is positive, one is negative. So plate name is A and its name is B. Distance between them is D. So another charge plus Q is kept here in between these two plates. Point charge. So electric field between them is uniform. A potential difference V is applied between the two parallel plates separated by D. So what is applied now? V, potential difference.
For example,
I will tell you. Potential difference is applied between these two. How it is created? Suppose I am connecting this positive and to the negative battery. So this is called V. V is potential difference. Electric field between them is directed from A to B. Why it is so? Because it starts from positive and into the negative, right? So it is starting from A, positive, and ending to the negative charge. A charge tube placed between the two plates having force due to the electric field. So now I am keeping a charge Q. This will experience the force, right? This positive charge is repelled by this A, and this will be attracted towards negative charge, right? So now see the next point. If we have to move the charge against the direction of field towards the positive plate, we have to do the sum work, right? Suppose I want to move this charge towards A only, right? So we have to do the work now, right? We have to apply the force. So we have to do the charge from negative B to the positive A. So force formula we know, that is force into displacement. It is nothing but it is force into displacement. That is called work done. Understood? So potential difference between two plates is developed. So that is given by W equal to VQ. Understood? So now equate this equation 1 and 2. Both are work, right? This is in the mechanical field, this is your electric field force. So this is called mechanical work. Mechanical work, which is done by the man, right? Suppose I am pushing this charge towards this. So this is mechanical work. And if it is attracted or repelled by this charge, that is called electrical work done. So this is your electrical work done. Work done. So now I equate the equation 1 and 2. So what will be the equation now? FD equal to VQ, right? So you can find from here what E by F by Q equal to V by D, right? And we know electric field is equal to F by Q. So instead of F by Q, what can I write? E now. So E formula is V by D. V is potential difference. This is the distance between these plates. So you can write here this distance between plates. and V is potential difference, and E is the electric field. E is electric field. So right up to this point. Here now see. Now we'll solve the numerical 10.5. Gap between two electrodes of the spark plug. So there is a spark plug. These are the two plates. Distance between them is given. How much it is? 1.25 mm. So we know 1 mm equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Understood? So D is given and V is applied between them. So it is 20 volt. So this is the potential difference applied this between these two plates. Potential difference. Suppose this is your positive plate and this is your negative plate. Understood? So what we have to find? What is the magnitude of electric field? So we know the formula now. Electric field is V upon D. Anuj, ध्यान दो यार. E equal to V by D. We know the value V, right? How much? 20 volt. And D we know that is 1.25. So convert into a standard unit. That is 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So it will be 20. Now remove this point. So it will be how much? 100 upon 125. And take this point upper part. So it will be 10 raised to 3 now. So now cancel with 5. So it will be 4. And this will be 2, 5. And this will be 4. 25 was 100, right? So it is 16 into 10 raised to 3. 3. No, it is not minus, it is plus. So we have to write in a standard form. A standard form is A point B 10 raised to power x. This is the standard way of writing the answer. So you have studied in first chapter.
तो 16 किधर गया? Wait, वो start.
16, you have understood up to this point?
Yes.
Okay. Now see, I will divide by 10 and multiply with this 10 and write the other quantities also. So now multiply this 2 and divide this 2. So it will be 1.6 and it will be 10 raised to 4. So this is the standard way of writing. ठीक है?
Standard.
So what will be the unit? It is volt per meter. It is volt per meter unit is.
यहाँ 10 क्यों लिया?
Because I want to put the points here. That's why.
वो नहीं नीचे
This now. This now. Because this quantity should not be changed now. That's why I multiply with 10 and divide by 10.
Okay.
This will get cancelled. Then we are getting the same quantities now. That's why. Now solve next one 10.6. Point charge are placed at the vertices of right isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle first? Two sides are equal.
Two sides are equal.
So this side and this side is equal to each other. So write the name. This is A, this is B, this is C. So 3 charges are kept at the vertices. So it is 10 microcoulomb. This is also 10. This is 2 microcoulomb. Understood? Is it clear to you now? Clear? So what we have to do? Find the magnitude and direction of the resultant electric field at point P. So there is a point P. So we have to find electric field up to this point. So electric field due to P will be like this, na EB, right? And for A, it will be like this. It will be EA. And for C, it will be like this, EC. Understood? So now we know the formula. So EB will be equal to, formula is KQ upon R square. Only one Q will come now.
Q for
So understood? Electric formula is E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. So this is also can be written in K form. Understood?
Yes.
So this is Q. So calculate this value. K value is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Understood? And Q value we know, that is 2 microcoulomb. 2 microcoulomb. So it is 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 aega, divided by R square. So we have to find this R. This is 5, this is 5. So what will be the AC? By Pythagoras theorem, we know it is 5 it is 5. So it will be 5 square plus 5 square. So it is 25 plus 25. So it will be 50. So answer will be 2 into 25. No? Can I write 50 as 2 into 25? So take 5 as. So we have got the C value. This is C now. This is B. This is A. So we have find the value of AC. This is A.
A for apple.
This is B now.
BC.
It is written here. Understood? Now put the value here.
BC.
So it will be 5 root 2 square. So then you will get the EB value, electric field at point B, due to P now at P. Now calculate it. So it will be 9 into 10 raised to 9. It will be 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 5 square is. So it will be 25 into 2. So these two and these two will get cancelled. So 9 into 10 raised to 9 minus 6 by 25. So how much it is? 9 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 25 now. So it will be 9 into. Can I write 10 raised to 3 as 1000? So it will get cancelled by 40. Now multiply it.
9 to 40.
So it will be how much?
9 divided.
How much it is?
360.
Good. 360. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
360 degree.
That is the value of EB only now. Now see. For this charge, electric field will like this, and for this charge, electric field will like this, and their value is same na, 10 microcoulomb. This is also 10. See here. This is A point, this is B point. They are holding the same charge, 10 microcoulomb, and this is also 10 microcoulomb. So its electric field is like this, and due to A, its electric field is like this. So they will cancel each other. So no need to find this electric field. Understood? So right up to this point, then you can find the angle. ठीक है देखो 10.6 देखो.
Thus,
A, B, C are triangle. These are isosceles to each other.
Thus
Means two sides are equal.
10 points.
Triangle A, B, C.
D, E, F,
It is
G,
an isosceles.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
Isosceles
P.
triangle. Understood?
Yes.
Now we can find this side.
We can find this side.
AC.
AC.
AC equal to
is equal
under
to
root of 5 square
under root
plus.
of I square plus.
So it will be 5 root 2.
Sir,
So it will be 5 root
हाँ
2.
वो पता है. Now we
Now
have,
we have-
there is a point P,
There is a point P,
right, which is perpendicular
which is perpendicular
to AC.
to AC.
No, we know the value now.
We know the value now with 5.
5. So suppose it is perpendicular drawn and it is divided by 2. So this part, AB part will be AC by 2. So how much it is? 5 root 2 upon 2.
2.
Understood? So this value we know now. 5 root 2 by 2. So there is one triangle now.
There is one.
This is
triangle.
90 degree.
This is 90 degree.
This value you have to find B.
This will have to
P.
find B, P.
So how will you find now?
By perpendicular to each other.
So a side which is
Perpendicular.
of 90 degree. In front of 90 degree, it is hypotenuse now.
It is hypotenuse.
So this is 90 degree, this will be hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 5.
5.
And this is 5 root 2 upon 2. So you have to find this one.
You have to find
So
this.
what is the relation between them? So it is AB square is equal to BP square plus AP square. So AP we know, that is 5 square equal to
So
BP is
5 square is equal to BP is
plus this is 5 root 2 upon
5 root 2
2
upon
square.
2
So
square.
take this quantity here. So
Take
now
this
BP
square.
will
BP
be
is
under
equal
root
to
of
5
5
square
square
minus
minus 25
25
into
2
into 2 upon 4.
upon
4.
Understood?
Understood?
No.
No.
So we know the value. Root 2 square is 2 now.
Root 2 square is equal
And
to
2
2
square is.
and 2 square is equal to 4.
So root 2 square is 2 and 2
Root
square.
square is equal to 2 and
Understood?
4. Yes.
Now take the LCM.
Now take the
So it
LCM.
will be 4.
So it will be 4.
So 25 into 4 is 100 now.
25 to 4 is equal to 100.
25 into 4.
Minus 50. How much it is?
100.
50.
Minus 50 is equal
So
to
BP
50.
value will be how much?
50.
50 upon 4.
50 upon 4.
4.
So 50 can be written as 2 into 25 upon
4.
4.
Understood?
Yes.
So how much it is?
4.
It is 5 by
5 by
root
2.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
In the previous point we have multiplied with this whole quantity now, but we need this one BP. So electric field at point P due to B charge, it will be equal to K Q upon BP square now.
Sir,
So now
हाँ,
what?
pi square है ना?
No, that is 5 square, 25. 25 into 4 is 100.
Into अच्छा okay.
LCM we have taken.
Okay.
So 9 value is, K value is 9 into 10 raised to
Minus.
9. And K value we know, Q value that is 2 into 10 raised to 6 now. Minus 6. Micro means 10 raised to minus 6. 2 micro coulomb. 2 into micro means 10 raised to minus 6. Understood?
Yes,
Divided
sir.
by BP value is this now.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 5 by root 2 whole square. So how much it is? 9 into 2 into 10 raised to 9 minus 6 divided by 25. Now this will be 2 now, so 2 will be upper in numerator now. Now cancel the quantities. How much it is? 9 into 4 is 36. So it is 10 raised to 3. So it is 1000 divided by 25.
40.
So it will be 40. Now multiply this.
फिर तो करने में मजा आता है.
24, 12 or 2, 14 now. So convert it to a standard form now. So we have to put point here now. So 3 quantities are there. So we will multiply with 1000 and divide by 1000. Understood? This will get cancelled. And now divided by 100. So it will be 1.44. And this will be 10 raised to 3. So this is the answer. Understood? It is mistake, by mistake it is written there. So now I will find the value, angle. So what is the angle?
BP निकालना है.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे.
So cos 45 no? To calculate BP, it is BA cos 45. I will tell you. See here. This value you have to find in triangle. So this is your cos 45. Why? Suppose if there is a triangle which is equal inside, two sides are equal, and this is your 90 degree. So sum of all the angle is 180. Understood? These angles should be 180 now.
Yes, sir.
So this is singly 90 degree now.
Yes, sir.
So this will be how much? 45, 45 because sides are equal, so angle will be
Equal.
So by applying cos theta is base upon
hypotenuse.
So suppose I am taking as a theta here. So what will be the base?
5.
No, base will be BP now. This will be the base for this triangle. This is your hypotenuse. This is your perpendicular now.
Yes.
So base is
5.
we have got that 5 by root 2 and h we know no? It is 5. So this 5 and this 5 what will happen?
Cut.
Get cancelled. So we are getting,
Root 2.
so theta is 45 also no?
1 upon root 2 कैसा आएगा? Cancel हो गया तो 1 का ही आया ना? Okay.
Understood? So in the similar manner we can also find BP. So BA is how much?
45.
BA value. BA value is 5 now?
5.
5. And we know cos 45 that is 1 upon root 2. So in this way you can also find BP. So we have gone through the last method now by hypotenuse now. So it is directly found by this property. This is called trigonometric function property. So right up to this point. Given. Question is
हेलो मैम.
a simplified model of hydrogen atom consists of electron.
पहले मेरे को क्वेश्चन समझाओ सर.
So hydrogen atom is there. One electron is there. It is revolving around the orbit. So this is your orbit. It is revolving around it. Revolving
रिवॉल्व क्या कर रहा है?
around the orbit. Proton.
ओके.
Proton. ठीक है. Now see, having a distance means r is given. So r is, suppose from nucleus its distance is given, that is 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter. So it is r. ठीक है. Charge on proton is given. Q equal to 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. ठीक है. Calculate the intensity of electric field due to proton. So E formula we know, right? K Q upon R square. So K value we know, 9 into 10 raised to 9. Q value we know, right? It is given 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. We know R value, that is 5.3 10 raised to minus 11 meter square. Understood? So how much E electric field intensity?
9 into 10.
Calculate this one.
9 into 1.6.
9 into 1.6 divided by 5.3 into 10 raised to 9 minus 19. Take upper, so it will be plus 11 now. But it is 2 times, the square is there now, so it will be 5.3 here again plus 11. Now calculate it. So you will get now E as 5.1 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per coulomb. I will solve for you. See, equal to, I have written the final answer. So suppose I am taking this 9, this as a 2, and this is 5.5.
2
So
Q.
approximation I have done.
Okay.
In physics, if it is 1.6, it can be written as 2. So this is 5 into 5. This will be how much? 10 raised to, add the positive part. So it is 22 plus 9. So it will be 31 minus 19. Right? So 9 equal to 9 into 18. It is 25 now. Now take this as 10 raised to. So it will be 2. This will be 1. Understood? So now see, E equal to 18 by 25. 18 upon 25. This 10 raised to 12. So I make 18 as 20. This will be 25.
4 or 5?
It is near to 20 now. That's why approximation I am doing. So now multiply with 10. So it will be 10. Understood? This is 10 raised to 12 now. So this is 200 by 25 into 10 now. Into 10 raised to 12. So this will be cancelled by 8 now. So 8 into 10 raised to 11. So this will be the electric field. How much it is?
उसको standard form में कर.
So you can see the variation in answer. Final answer is this now. We have got approximately up to 8 now. Because we have done the approximation, that's why. Now we have to find the what? F. So we know the formula, E equal to F by Q. So we have to find E. So F will be E into Q. So we know the value of E. That is 5.1 10 raised to 11. We know the value of Q. That is
1.6 into 10.
1.6 10 raised to multiply these two. We will get the answer.
So easy.
Understood? So it will be 5 into 1.6
1.6
into 10 raised to, how much it is?
19
Minus 8. 1685. So it will be 8.0 is 10 raised to. Got it?
Yes.
So write it down. This is your force.
और ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड था. इंटेंसिटी.
पूरा बंद करो.